This video is for my Power Learning Goal parents. I wanted to explain a little bit better what the Power Learning Goal program is like. So each of you should have received your Power Learning Goals for each grade and subject in an email. When you open up those Power Learning Goals, this is the first page that you're going to see. And this page just gives some examples of work that can be turned in to meet the Power Learning Goals. I have attached the Flex worksheets to this email, and if you notice, those are just one of the many different options. Flex worksheets do not directly align with the Power Learning Goals. You will have to align them yourselves as parents. If you scroll down to the second page, you'll see the school year calendar, and these orange squares indicate when the Power Learning Goals are due. The first one is coming up August 30th. So on and so forth. If you count up all of these submissions, you'll know that there are 16 of them. So to come up with your 16 submissions, you're going to come down and look at the different Power Learning Goals. And there may only be 9 main Power Learning Goals, but that's okay. You're going to make up your 16 by the bullet points. Now, if you look to the left, you will see this just says no selection one time. That means you only need to pick one bullet point. And this one bullet point, you're going to come up with an assignment that proves to me that you met that one bullet point. If there is 2 no selection boxes to the left, you need to select 2 bullet points from that Power Learning Goal. These will be 2 separate submissions throughout the school year. And that's how you're going to make up the 16 submissions. You do not have to go in any particular order. You can pick any bullet point that you want at any time, as long as all of your assignments are different and creative, and they all come from a different Power Learning Goal. I went over the naming system for school pathways in the email I sent you, called the School Pathways Tutorial. I'd like you to look over that because I will be requiring you to turn in your work named correctly. So if I was in first grade and I wanted to do Power Learning Goal 1, I would name my file SS for Social Studies, and then I would go to the goal I'm doing, so SS1, and if it's the first time I'm submitting one of these bullet points, it'll be A, and if it's the second time, it will be B. So SS1A, SS1B. And I want you to name your files as this just so I can keep them straight and know what you have already accomplished. If you have any questions on the Power Learning Goal program, please email me, call me, text me, whatever you need to do so that I can help you understand further. Thank you.